E Labs Private Limited, a women entrepreneur-led startup, is pioneering the field of recombinant protein expression technology, focusing on creating eco-friendly, cost-efficient solutions to tackle global challenges. Established in 2020, the company is committed to enhancing human health, revolutionizing diagnostic methodologies, and contributing to India's green future and waste to wealth initiatives. Its flagship product, Recplasm, a low-cost, scalable thrombolytic drug candidate, earned the prestigious NASSCOM Deep Tech 50 award. Recplasm offers rapid reperfusion for cardiovascular care, particularly in underserved cities and countries, providing hope during critical medical situations. E Labs' vision is to harness the potential of recombinant technology to drive innovation in biotherapeutics, diagnostic methods, and food industries, while promoting sustainability. The company's mission is to enhance India's indigenization, green future, and waste to wealth initiatives by addressing the commercial viability of recombinant DNA technology. Through their breakthrough platforms such as Buxol and FISEC, E Labs aims to revolutionize human health and contribute to sustainable solutions on a global scale. With over 16 years of experience in bioservices and research, the company's leadership team, led by Sonia Madan and Devanand Kumar, brings a wealth of expertise in recombinant protein delivery. The company has received significant grants from BIROC and ICMR and advanced 11 products to market, with plans to enter biomanufacturing by 2025. As a CIL-recognized R&D unit, E Labs operates a state-of-the-art research and development center, featuring a fully functional lab and advanced instruments for scaling up technologies up to a 300 liters bioreactor. The company is dedicated to delivering innovative, cost-effective recombinant solutions, positioning itself as a leader in the field of biotherapeutics and sustainable technology. Established in the year 2020, based in Delhi, it is one of the fastest growing companies in India. India 5000 Best MSME Awards 2024 for quality excellence goes to E Labs Private Limited.